to say is that since my childhood, I remember my father's been a very big devotee, and since I was a kid, we were taken to Shirdi once in 3 months or 6 months, and that's how my journey started, and then I kept going. More than me, today my father's 75 years old. He's not that well, and he tends to forget a lot of things. But one thing he never forgets, and every month once a month he wakes up in the morning, he says, I need to go to Shirdi. And he always goes there. And these guys really beautifully take care of him also, because he's been unwell. So that's been my connection since childhood. I've been going to Shirdi. I have my beliefs, and it gives me sort of a lot of peace. So when these guys came to me, first of all, I just want to say that they are very simple people. They've never done any such big function earlier. So when they came to me and they said, because we knew each other and because of everything, so they said that it's going to be 100 years and we need to do this marathon, and what do we do about it? They didn't even know. So it was just that because they're so simple, so I said that, you know, I can give all my support to at least create the awareness, to reach out to you guys, and so that you guys can reach out to the people to let them know that it's going to be, it's 100 years this year, and this is what is happening, and this can only be done by the media's help. So that's why I'm here, and 15th of October we're going to flag it off. So I've committed that I would go there. In fact, also hopefully with the whole team of my film releasing that month. So that would be also nice that we all go there and we flag it off.
Absolutely. Wow. Thank you so much. And we are going to be waiting for 15th of October. We would love to see you run, flag off the run, and do your bit with your entire film fraternity. You know what? I just cannot stop myself from saying this, and I have to say this. It might just be very inappropriate right now, but I have to say this to you. चौकी होगी पुलिस वालों की, लेकिन शहर के कमिश्नर तो हम ही हैं. And I love the way he says it. So can you please say it once?
I don't remember which film is this.
You don't remember? You want to take a guess? Oh wow. So I'm quizzing him on his film, right? So which movie do you think this can be?
Don't embarrass me. Just tell me.
दुआ में याद रखना.
Okay. Once Upon a Time.
Absolutely. That's right. Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, right?
I would say the other line, Dua mein yaad rakhna.
Oh, that's my favorite too, right. Thank you so much. All right, so we also have Mr. Abhay Shirke Patil with us. Sir, क्या आप या कैसे आया and?
ओम साई राम.
ओम साई राम.
100 साल पूरे होने जा रहे, बाबा ने समाधि ली थी, और जो सेंटेनरी ईयर है वो पूरे विश्व में सेलिब्रेट होना चाहिए. इसके लिए ये फर्स्ट इवेंट है. अभी साल भर हम बहुत सारे इवेंट लेने वाले, लेकिन दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट इवेंट विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी टेकन. एंड अजय जी ने पहले ही मीटिंग में बोल दिया कि चलो हम आते फ्लैग ऑफ करते हैं, तो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. और बाबा का जो संदेश है श्रद्धा सबूरी, वो पूरे विश्व में है, और वही संदेश पहुंचाने के लिए और सेंटेनरी ईयर का सेलिब्रेशन करने के लिए हमने प्रोग्राम रखा है.
Thank you so much, and very to take this message very globally. आजकल के time में it is very important. That commitment is very important. We also have Mr. Arvind Bijbay with us, organizer. So we'd love to hear a few words.
Hello everyone. First of all, I'll thanks all the media, because you are the one who is going to make sure that we are reaching to the entire country. We already started the registration, and in first 24 hours we got registrations for almost each and every state, which is very, very encouraging thing. And I also want to thanks Ajay ji. I mean, last time I met him also for marathon. We had another marathon in.
Yeah, I know Arvind because I think one of the biggest marathon organized was by him, which I attended. That was in Pune. That was for breast cancer. And I would like you to tell them that what happened after you organized that marathon and how the awareness was created.
So, as Ajay ji says, Kajal madam is a brand ambassador for that marathon, and he was there 3 years back. And that time we had one bus who was doing the all the free what do you call as in breast cancer awareness. Now we have 8 buses which is going to all over the slums, all over this thing, and that's the magic of the star, and that's the magic of the media. So we really need celebrities and the media to create an awareness. And as everyone's talk about here, the sports and spirituality goes hand in hand. That is where the whole idea. This is the first time in Shirdi the marathon is happening. The marathon is going to be at international standard. It will have a time event. It's a timing chip event which has a 42 kilometer, 21 kilometer, 10 kilometer, and also a Sai Dindi which is 5 kilometer. So there are masses can participate. We are encouraging families to participate. That's the idea of keeping a Sai Dindi. And every participant is going to get a finisher, medal, t-shirt, everything which happens like any international marathon. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arvind. It's wonderful to see that we have different categories catering to first-time runners.
There's 5 steps also for people like them and me.
ने हाँ कर दी और आने के लिए राजी हो गए। मैं हम साईं बाबा ट्रस्ट शिरडी और शिरडी ग्रामस्थों की तरफ से उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much. This
पे या बीच पे थोड़ा अगर स्कूल कॉलेज की थोड़ी यादें अगर आप शेयर करेंगे, किस तरीके से आप रनिंग किया करते थे?
ज़्यादा भागते थे जब लोग पीछे भागते थे मारने के लिए।
और साईं बाबा में आपकी कितनी आस्था है? आपने पिताजी के बारे में बताया,
जैसे मैंने बताया बचपन से आई थिंक वो इंस्टिल की गई है। बचपन से हम जाते रहे हैं और ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग पिछले काफ़ी टाइम से मैं जा नहीं पाया। तो आई थिंक जब ये आए तो आई ऑल्सो फेल्ट दैट आई शुड बी गोइंग। जैसे मैंने कहा कि मेरे डैड हर महीने जाते हैं वहाँ पे और रिलीजियसली जाते हैं, तो आई वुड वांट टू गो बैक देयर। Like I said, there are 5 steps for you and me.
So, according to you, how important is fitness?
I think it's the most important thing. Whatever job you're in, fitness is most important for your life, mentally and physically. If you're not fit, I don't think you can work. Even if your work is to just sit on a chair and write, I think it keeps you going in every which way. And if you're not fit, you're not physically fit, you're not mentally fit.
Ajay, you said you're a man of belief. With that, are you superstitious? And especially when your film is about to release, आप कुछ superstition में believe करते हैं?
I think superstition में सभी लोग believe करते हैं. कुछ लोग मानते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं मानते हैं, लेकिन ज़रूर believe करते हैं. But एक दायरा होता है, एक limit होती है. I think उस दायरे के अंदर इंसान को रहना चाहिए. और ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है तो मैं जाऊँगा. कई बार when I go to Ajmer also, लोग लिखते हैं कि फिल्म के वक्त जा रहे हैं. आप देखिए, मैं उस वक्त नहीं जाता. मैं जब मेरा दिल करे मैं जाता हूँ.
हेलो या देयर इज इंटरनेशनल मैराथन है, तो बहुत सारे फॉरेन से भक्त आएंगे साई भगवान की, तो उस हिसाब से इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एकोमोडेशन के लिए आपने कुछ ज़्यादा इंतज़ाम किया है? बिकॉज देयर विल बी अ ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पांस. अभी अजय जी भी इसमें ये मीडिया के लिए प्रमोशन कर रहे, तो देयर विल बी अ एक्सेलेंट रिस्पांस फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल NRIs एज वेल एज फॉरेनर्स एंड ऑल. तो उसके लिए आपने क्या एक्स्ट्रा इंतज़ाम किया है?
हम सब करने वाले, अभी नहीं हुआ है अभी तक, लेकिन तैयारी हमारी शुरू हो गई है. सब इंटरनेशनल वगैरह सब खिलाड़ियों के लिए, सब भक्तजनों के लिए, सबके लिए हो गए.
As it is, Shirdi has many starred hotels which are equipped to host most, superstar players. So please don't worry about it. Even Sun and Sand has a place in Shirdi. So yeah, so.
And already we have.
I think this function Sun and Sand is organized on its own. Without even taking anything, charging anything. Yeah, we all should.
And we
Thank you, Sun and Sand.
58,000 persons night stay facility with Sanstha and all hotels.
Absolutely, and to just reaffirm, I was told offline that on an average, in a day,
price we're going to announce soon. There's a category of 42 kilometer, 21 kilometer, and 10 kilometer. Those are competitive category. There will be a open category as well as a senior category, and all the winners, all the podium finishers will be announced some prize very soon, very shortly.
It's time for the last question.
Hi Ajay, what is spirituality to you?
That's a tough question. I don't know, the deeper you dig, you get confused. So spirituality is, I think, being your own, being honest, believing in whatever is within yourself, basically yourself. So if we talk about Sai Baba also, I think he's a part of you, he's inside you. So when you believe in yourself, you believe in.
Means as you don't get enough time for, how you connect with God day to day. That's what I was asking.
You don't need time for that. You can always be connected with whatever power you believe in.
अजय सर, आपसे मेरा एक सवाल है कि पिछले कई दिनों से गुजरात हो या आसाम हो, वहाँ पे काफ़ी फ्लड आ रहा है, तो आप कुछ अपील करना चाहेंगे आपके फैंस को, कुछ डोनेशन किया जाए?
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। इनफैक्ट ये हम लोग करने ही वाले थे आजकल में, बट डेफिनेटली अपील करना चाहूँगा कि हम अपनी तरफ से जो सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं वो देंगे, और अगर बाकी जितने लोग हैं वो सब भी कर सकें और तो आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत तकलीफ है।
Thank you so much everybody. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your time.